okay, you're shopping for jeans, and what we're trying to do is get a unit rate, it's called. We say if 3 jeans cost 72, then we can do $72 divided by 3 will give us the unit rate for those jeans. And if we do that over here, 72 divided by 3, 3 goes into 7 twice, 6, 3 goes into 12, 3 goes into 12 4 times. It's not writing, hold on a second. Technical failures, hold on a second. Okay, I'm back. So, we take this total $72 that you spent at City Express, and we divide it by 3 to say, if we spread the cost equally over 3 pairs of jeans, how much would each pair of jeans cost? Okay, so 3 goes into 7 6 times, 3 goes into 7 twice, 3 times 2 is 6, 1 left over, bring down the 2, 3 goes into 12 4 times, 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so the unit rate for that is $24 a pair. Cool. I'm going to get this math out of here, just one second. Typically, I hope you understand that the reason that I erase is not because I don't want to show my work, but because I don't have an unlimited amount of space like I have on paper. I got this little window. Okay, so I'm sure there's ways around it, but I don't know them. Now, next one, Denim Planet sells 2 pairs of jeans for $85. So $85 split up equally among the 2 pairs of jeans equals how much per pair? 85 divided by 2. 2 is an 8 4 times. That is 8. 2 goes into 5 2 times. That's 4. And if we added a 0 and brought it down, we'd say 2 goes into 10 5 times. So 42.5, or since it's money, $42.50. $42.50. Per pair. And the last one, New Threads, sells 4 pairs of jeans for $117. $117 for 4 pairs. How much is that for 1? Let's do it over here on the side. 117 divided by 4. 4 goes into 11 twice. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 left over. 4 goes into 37 9 times. 4 times 9 is 36. 1 left over, and put a decimal. And then add a 0 and bring that down. And we get 4 goes into 10 twice. 4 times 2 is 8. Add another 0, bring it down. 4 goes into 20 5 times. And you get $29.25 a pair. $29.25 per pair of jeans. So, which had the best deal? Well, whatever makes the cheapest jeans. And it appears as though that first one, at $24 a pair, that's the best deal. And which one was that? That was City Express, selling 3 pairs for $72 or $24 a pair. So, City Express, A. Done.